Today I am going to be talking to you guys about my film setup. I posted on Instagram a couple months ago that my background had changed a little bit, and I was finally liking the way my videos were looking. You guys wanted to see that, and since then, I have to be honest, things have changed quite a bit. I do live in an apartment, and I just recently switched apartments, so I film in my sunroom right now. And over the past couple of months, I've been switching my desk back and forth, my lights, moving them around, trying to figure out what will look good. Like, it's been a struggle, but I feel like now things are looking the way that I want them to look. The things that I'm going to show you in this video, I've been collecting like since 2014 when I first started my YouTube channel. It's 2018, and I'm feeling like right now I have everything that I want for my channel. I have been collecting lights. My desk is new. When I moved into my apartment, that's something that I wanted to purchase to have just, you know, as a workstation for makeup and all of that good stuff. I recently bought backdrop paper, and I was using that for a little bit. And yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys all of that stuff. I do want you to know that you do not have to have all of this stuff to start a YouTube channel. You do not. This is just my setup. I did not always have all of this stuff. As long as you have an iPhone that you can use, a ring light so that you can have a clear picture, good lighting so people can see what you're doing in your videos, you should be good to go. But enough of me talking. I'm going to get into showing you guys my camera, lens, lighting, background, all of that good stuff. Alright, so I am going to start off with my desk back here. This desk is from At Home. It was pretty pricey, but I needed a desk, so I got it. The lights going across the desk are from Walmart. Those are pretty cheap because these are the short lights. They're like, I don't know how long they are, but they are pretty short, and I have two running across and plugged in. I just love the way that these look in my videos when I have those in the background. The two makeup organizers on the desk, those just add a little bit of decoration to the video. Those are from Amazon. The flowers right here are from I actually made this. The flowers are from Joann's, and so is the vase. So I'm going to get a little bit closer. The vase is from Joann's as well. I just cut the flowers and put them in the vase, and then I have another one over here with some makeup brushes inside. So yeah, I just thought those were really cute. I want to get another one because I have a ton of more makeup brushes. The picture frame right here is also from At Home. It says my goal is to create a life I don't need a vacation from. So I thought that was really cute, and I love the gold frame around it. This candle right here is just a random candle I picked up from TJ Maxx. So yeah, that's everything on my desk. The fur rug that you see underneath is from TJ Maxx as well. It was like $14.99. This is something very popular that you see in a lot of beauty rooms on YouTube and Pinterest, if you're a Pinterest person. I love Pinterest. Back here in the corner, I just put these here just so I could show you guys in the video. This is backdrop paper. So I ordered these from bhphoto.com. I think that's the website. They were pretty affordable. You use these, you probably watch a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of makeup videos where you are wondering what is the color in the back of that video. So this is what they are using, the backdrop paper. I don't have a backdrop stand, so when I was using these, I actually had the paper set up on the window right here, and I just nailed it to the wall on each corner there. So, and then I just let the paper run down, and that's what I would film in front of. But I don't use that paper anymore because I am using my desk in the background. Alright, right here is where I sit most of the time, and never mind my junk in the background right there, but this is where I sit whenever I am filming my videos. I have my chair. I actually got this with my table whenever I moved into my apartment. I just love that it's clear. It's like not anything extra. And then this table I just got from TJ Maxx. That was pretty affordable too. Whenever you are filming, it helps to have a little table in front of you, especially if you're filming makeup videos or hair tutorials. And then I like to sit a little mirror right there on the table because I can't always see in the viewfinder on my camera. So this mirror helps me to see what I'm doing. So now I'm going to move into talking about my lights. So I have 4 lights that I use. These light stands are from Amazon. If you're looking to purchase lights just like this, I will put a link down below on Amazon. But these lights are from LimoStudio. I can't remember the exact name of these, but they're pretty big. And this is what you would call a 3-point lighting system, and it really brightens up my videos and just makes them look good overall. I did not always have these. These are lights that, as I was watching YouTube and trying to research, you know, how to light up my videos, make them look good, these are some lights that I purchased along the way. So this ring light is from Neewer. And I ordered this on Amazon as well. This is like my second ring light since I have been on YouTube, because my first one I broke. This is not like the legit Diva ring light. This is the cheaper version. But if you can afford the, you know, the big version, the big Diva ring light, definitely purchase that. But this one works just as good. My camera, I'm going to come around this way. This is the Canon 80D. Let's see if I can get in there. This is the Canon 80D that I film with. I just recently got this. I filmed with a Canon T3i for the longest. The lens that I film with now is the Sigma 30mm 1.4 art lens. This lens is awesome. I just recently got it. I filmed when I had my Canon T3i. I would just film with the kit lens or the 50mm lens. But I just upgraded to this and I love it. So this is my other light. This light is from LimoStudio as well. I like to have this light in the back right here, if you're wondering, because I like to have the light bouncing off of the wall right here. It just brightens up this section right here. You can't really tell right now because I'm like facing the light. I don't know if you can tell, but this light does add some brightness to the background. So yeah. Alright guys, so that was this video all about my lighting, my setup, my camera, my lens, all of that good stuff. I am filming off of my Sony a6000 right now. If I left out anything, please let me know down in the comment section. If you have questions about anything, another video you want me to film about the technology, lighting, all of that good stuff, let me know please. Comment section, but definitely make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.